So, if some of the persons watching the video wanted to purchase from you, but they are not in the area, would you accommodate that?
Yes.
Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I am in Davie, Florida, and I'm speaking with Miss Barbara from Max Farms.
It's giving us small tours of the farm, just a small tour.
Small tour.
Yes.
So these are red callaloo?
Yes. And we call it amaranth.
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 Okay. I see you have a lot of sorrel in here.
Yes. And all these, Jamaica say hibiscus, but the right name is sorrel.
Okay.
And behind that, everything is seasonal.
Okay.
Seasonal. You have callaloo like this now, it going out of season. So you have to start prepare other things to meet the winter.
Yes.
Such like
What are the crops that you plant during the winter?
callaloo.
During the cold time?
Yeah, not callaloo. Bok choy.
Okay.
You do cabbage, kale, spinach, everything.
Okay.
But callaloo is not a winter thing.
What's the best time for the callaloo? Spring?
Yes. You start in March, just as the spring coming up, right back to October.
Okay.
You get good callaloo.
Okay. Is that, those are dasheen?
Yes, these are dasheen.
Dasheen.
Yes.
So it's from that side over there, and it goes
From
back.
that side there, go right back to there.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna see how much of this we can cover so you can see the different crops that are produced.
And each time we have different crops, you will see what is coming in time.
Yes.
That if you do want any order or anything, so I know these are tomatoes, but these are the cherry tomatoes.
So what's up?
You believe? No, this is lychee or lychee. What?
Lychee.
Yeah. So all this now would be pepper, but because of the water, everything died down because it was so flooded 2 weeks ago.
Yes. What are the items that you sell, Miss Barbara? What are the things that people come in to buy?
But mostly, I am a
Callaloo.
callaloo person. Callaloo, scallion, pepper, and okra is my dice.
Okay.
My
Okay.
dice.
Callaloo, scallion, guys, okras. So, if some of the persons watching the video wanted to purchase from you, but they are not in the area, would you accommodate that?
Yes, but if they get to me, because I usually get out, but because of this property is so small,
Yes.
so watery,
Yes.
I don't have the portion to go out with anymore.
Okay. So they have to reach out to you.
They have to reach to me.
Okay.
Yes.
And if they want to reach you, Miss Barbara,
Yeah.
how would you want them to contact you?
Well, I just make up a new logo.
Okay.
So I'm going to put out everything from Tuesday, Wednesday, come down, that everybody can go to the website
Right.
and find me
Right.
and state whatever they want.
Okay, so they can place their order online.
Online.
And they're to look for Max Farm.
Max Farm. Yes.
Okay. All right. All right. So guys, what Miss Barbara is saying is that she's gonna put it out on Tuesday. You're to check for Max Farms, MACKS. That's the short for Max.
Yes.
And
Farm.
all the farms, Max Farms, and that's where the
And we have the natural banana here.
yes.
And here's a decent bunch. I know a long time people don't see things like this.
Yes.
They see in the store.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is a greenhouse here.
Yes, this is a greenhouse I'm making here now.
Do you use any pesticides?
No, this is my pesticide name.
How long you been? Did I ask you how long you were here, Miss
No,
Barbara?
I just here soon pretty close. February coming will be 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
Yes.
But I was on the other side for 14 years.
By Orange, you said.
Yes, 101 terrace.
Yes. Yes. So this is just a miniature of what you used to have.
This is just a tip in the bucket.
Yes.
But
yes.
everything the Bible says, give thanks.
Yes.
Let's go and show you the rest.
We're looking at the papayas here. There's a whole line of papaya. And yes, Miss Barbara is telling us about the papaya.
The papaya don't love water.
Yes.
And I shouldn't sending out my teaching on the internet. But make I give you a little speech. The papaya now, not papaya only. When you're watering, don't water till it runs out the pan. It loses nutrient.
Okay.
You just water it for survival. So come on, I can show you my pineapple now.
So we're at the pineapple.
Yes, this is my pineapple. So this will be the pink pineapple. If you look over there, I'm trying to make a pineapple grove.
Oh. I see a whole lot of callaloo down here.
Yes.
Guys, this is another area
Yes.
of the farm.
Yeah.
What trees are those, Miss Barbara?
Avocado.
Oh,
Yes.
this is a lot of callaloo over here.
Yes.
Guys, you're not gonna believe this.
Mm.
This is dasheen.
Yes.
And if you're like me, you love dasheen. Oh my goodness, with some good gravy.
Yes, man. Salt mackerel.
Yes.
Salt mackerel run down,
yes.
man.
Oh, oh, look at this, guys. Dasheen and dasheen and dasheen.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I may have the juicer down there, so we do sugarcane juice.
Guys, this is this section for the sugar cane.
All of that is sugarcane. Yes, this is the end of the tour because we were late.
Yes, yes.
But next time around, you come early
yes.
and we get to go furthermore into the farm. Yeah.
Miss Barbara, before we go, is there anything you want to say to the viewers?
Viewers, again, my name is Barbara Mackenzie, known as Max Farm. You will hear and you will see more about me. Farm to the table. and thank you.
All right. And if you want to reach out, remember, Max Farms. Okay. And she will be able to assist you with your orders on a one-to-one basis.
Yes.
All right, guys. Until next time. Ciao.
Yeah, thank you. You can come. I show you a few things that I have to leave into the farm
Yes.
after the water.
Yes.
We'd have a heavy rain 2 weeks
Yes.
on straight.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I am in Davie, Florida, and I'm here with Miss Barbara on her farm,
Mackenzie, known as Max Farm.
known as Max
Max
Farm.
Farm, yes.
Yes. So, guys, here we have a huge farm, and Miss Barbara is going to take us through the farm.
Yes.
Right,
I'm
Miss Barbara?
yes. I just giving you a small tours of the farm. Just a small tour.
Small tour.
Yes.
So these are red callaloo,
Yes. And we call it Hammerant.
amaranth.
Hammerant. Is but we Jamaicans say red callaloo because with patois it's very bad.
Yes,
But the right name is Hammerant.
amaranth.
And it is good, especially for the brain.
Okay.
And when you're doing it as callaloo, you don't steam it as callaloo. You can use it in your vegetable.
Eat it raw.
You can the best to eat it raw,
Okay.
but make sure it come from a farm that you don't use any pesticide.
Yes.
That is the best thing.
Yes.
So when you're going to steam it like you want to eat a piece of bread, a seed of boiled banana, when you cut it up, you just steep it.
Yes.
Steep it, not water. Just cover it up, steam it with your oil, anything you rather.
Okay.
Yeah, but now put it on for 5 minutes. Just stir.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
Okay. I see you have a lot of sorrel in here as well.
Yes. So after the rain, we have nothing much. So I'm doing some bok choy right there. Yes.
I see you have guava.
Yeah. Do you know that it is detrimental? It is good for your body. High blood pressure. It is good for diabetes. So much things. You can eat one of the ripe guava for the day you have a good potent something into your body.
Yes.
Yes, it keep
Yes.
you through the day. And all these, Jamaica say hibiscus. But the right name is sorrel.
Sorrel.
Hibiscus is a flower. It's a
Yes.
flowers plant. And
Yes.
they have the hibiscus. So when you go to buy it, you see the hibiscus plant on it. But
Right.
this is the real Jamaica sorrel.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And behind that, everything is seasonal.
Okay.
Seasonal. You have callaloo like this now, it going out of season. So you have to start prepare other things to meet the winter.
Yes.
Such like
What are the crops that you plant during the winter?
callaloo.
During the cold time?
Yeah, not callaloo. Bok choy.
Okay.
You do cabbage, kale, spinach, everything. But
Okay.
callaloo is not a winter thing.
What's the best time for the callaloo? Spring?
Yes, you start in March, just as the spring coming up, right back to October.
Okay.
You get good, good, good callaloo.
Okay. I see you have an irrigation system here, Miss Barbara.
Yes, ma'am.
So you water the plants with
Yes,
this
yes,
periodically.
yes. This keep
Okay.
the soil moist.
Yes.
So morning time, you get like 15 minutes of water.
Okay.
Yes. That the thing don't drown in a too sappy.
Yes.
You just get the natural portion. So that's why we put it on the small immigration
Okay.
irrigation.
Okay.
Yes.
What are those? Is that those are dasheen?
Yes, these are dasheen.
Dasheen. Oh,
Yes. And you know that we Jamaican eat the root, but you have other country that is their callaloo. And
like Africa.
Africa
Yes.
mostly, and like Barbados, Trinidad. Trinidad love it. Their season gone sometime last week. Like their festival is the leaf.
Yes.
Them don't nothing but the food underneath. We Jamaica now we eat the food and
Yes.
leave the leaf. Mostly Trinidad buy it for their callaloo.
Yes. Yes. Barbara, how big
Well, make I tell you, this was offered to me by somebody
Mm-hmm.
by losing 33 acres on Orange Terrace. So I was down for a while. And this man buy me this piece of property and he give me the opportunity to use some part of his farm. So if I had to tell you the whole acres, I don't even know.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. So it's from that side over there, and it goes
From
back.
that side there, go right back to there.
Okay, guys, we're gonna see how much of this we can cover, so you can see the different crops that are produced.
And each time we have different crops, you will see what is coming in time.
Yes.
That if you do want any order or anything, and the way Davie big, we can hardly produce for outside because they come in daily for what they want.
Okay. You mean
Yes.
the people come in?
People come
Yes.
in,
Okay.
yes, every day
Oh, to buy
to
stuff.
buy stuff.
Wow. Wow.
So how I know these are tomatoes, but these are the cherry tomatoes
Okay.
that you just put into the salad.
Yes.
These are not the big sliced table
Right.
tomatoes. Yes.
So what's up?
You believe? No, this is lychee or lychee.
Oh,
What? Yeah. So all this now would be pepper. But because of the water, everything died down because it was so flooded 2 weeks ago.
okay.
So we have to start all over again.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. That's good. Do you find that the peppers do better in pots than in the ground?
I would say no.
Okay.
Because if you have a well good soil, when I come here, I have to buy the soil. And soil have to take time to grow just like human being.
Yes.
Because if you put down a dead, I buy a load of truck soil, a truckload of soil. And when you put down that soil, it's dead.
Yes.
So if no worm don't into that soil, the things cannot
It's a bad
grow.
sign.
Yes.
Yes.
So you have to keep it there. You rejoice like how God would rejoice over sheep.
Yes.
And so we have to rejoice over one worm.
Okay.
So
Okay.
and now the soil is newly, so we have to wait. And I'm waiting now 1 year ahead now
For this.
for
Okay.
this to come up.
Okay. Do you do anything to it in the meantime, Miss Barbara? Like add any manure to it
Yes,
or
I do manure on it.
compost?
Yes, I do compost. I'm going to show you my new compost house that
Okay.
I'm building right there. So we have to buy the soil, mix it with the fowl manure, the cow manure, the horse manure. We mix it, and the best one is the rabbit manure.
Oh.
Yes. But
Okay.
when we compose, because of the land destroy over there, I lost over $1 million. All my compost setting, everything, I lost everything.
Wow.
Completely everything is under my life, never gone. So I start all over, but I want to do better next year when all these break down and then we have a own compose to fix the soil again.
Yes. Yes. What are the items that you sell, Miss Barbara? What are the things that people come in to buy?
But mostly I am a
Callaloo.
callaloo person. Callaloo, scallion, pepper, and okra is my dice.
Okay.
My
Okay.
dice.
Callaloo, scallion, guys, okras. So if some of the persons watching the video wanted to purchase from you but they are not in the area, would you accommodate that?
Yes, but if they get to me, because I usually get out. But because of this property so small,
Yes.
so watery,
Yes.
I don't have the portion to go out with anymore.
Okay. So they have to reach out to you.
They have to reach to me.
Okay.
Yes.
And if they want to reach you, Miss Barbara,
Yeah.
how would you want them to contact you?
Well, I just make up a new logo.
Okay.
So I'm going to put out everything from Tuesday, Wednesday, come down that everybody can go to the website
Right.
and find me
Right.
and state whatsoever they want.
Okay. So they can place their order online. And
Online.
they are to look for Max Farm.
Max Farm.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. All right. So guys, what Miss Barbara is saying is that she's gonna put it out on Tuesday. You're to check for Max Farms, MACAS. That's the short for Max.
Yes.
And all the
Farm.
different farms, Max Farms, and that's where the
And we have the natural banana here.
yes,
And here's a decent bunch. I know long time people don't see things like this.
yes.
They see in the store.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So
You
the banana comes from the tree, not from the store.
Not from the store. Somebody asked me one day, I think the pumpkin grow on the tree. I said, no, baby love. Then where they get it from? I said, grow on the vine.
Yes.
Yeah, right too.
So this is a greenhouse here.
Yes, this is a greenhouse I'm making here now. But the cash flow is giving me the problem.
Yes.
So I have to do it slowly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have to do it slowly. So I'm trying what the hoop house, the intake, what it can do and what it cannot do.
Yes.
Yes, so I'm trying, but I'm going to open up this hoop house like in January to meet some of the school.
Okay.
Yes, because I'm going to do some schools.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. I'm doing like a cauliflower right there. Right here.
Do you use any pesticides?
No. I want to show you my little I underneath this I'm going to boast with this. I don't even want a fly. So it's going to close or zip up, use fan, and then nothing come underneath this. So inside here going to look a bit more expensive more than the outside.
Okay.
Although I don't use any pesticide. So
Okay.
this make I show you what I used here yesterday to make my water. So my seeds, I sow my seeds. So tomorrow now I will be planting seeds.
Okay.
I think my son threw it away. This is my water. This is my little irrigation right there. So I do this thing neem. So it is so far different. You can smell the difference of the neem
Yes.
oil.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Yes.
So I don't
Yes.
use no pesticide. So when you come on in, I mix the pesticide. This is my pesticide. Neem is because you can use neem to wash your hands. You
Yes.
can use it on your skin. You can use it on your face when
Yes.
you use neem.
Yes.
Neem can
Yes.
wash your hair. It can drink.
Yes.
It's a medicine. So I'm feeding. So I use, yes, so I use clean things that when it reaches my skin, it have nothing to do.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. That's powerful.
Yes.
And what do we have up here now, Miss Barbara?
I'm sowing all different seeds. Pepper, okra, everything that when the season come around, I can just start to plant.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
You're just getting them ready.
Ready. Yeah.
Okay. And you do it, there is always something all year round.
All year round.
Right.
All
Okay.
year round.
Okay.
Especially bok choy. When you say all year round, when March come, you're not going to find bok choy because I'm not a person who use fertilizer.
Okay.
So I don't want to talk of what I don't know about people.
Right.
So other now have something to keep their own going. I have to depend on the season. When that season gone, it gone. So then I do season again. So I prepare them ready. Not when the season come is that time I'm going to get myself ready.
Yes.
You understand? All
Yes.
right.
Yes. Got you.
All right.
When season step in, you hit the ground
Me hit running.
Yes.
So that's why me start. And when me come now, me have my little pump here. And me set up.
Oh,
Yeah.
so your little
Yes.
attachment
Yes.
there.
Yeah. Yeah. You see
Oh my
it?
goodness.
Yeah. And you get the water right here. Yeah. And I had my little hose and I get around. Yeah.
Yes. That's cool.
Yeah.
Your little contract.
Yes.
Yes.
So me do my own little thing. But
Yes.
me make sure everything is clean and direct to the skin.
Yes.
So I call it farm to the table.
Yes.
But you don't have to worry. That's why when I come, I can show people and then stand up and see that it's quality I put there.
Yes.
So
Yes.
quality going inside
Like
their
your
body.
Yes. Guys, this is
Yes. This take money to finish.
yes.
Talking about money.
I would imagine. Yes. It's quite an investment.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And it's not something that I borrow. It's from my pocket. So I have to go slowly. Yes,
Yes.
but I wish it could open up for like the 15th of January, then I have a big opening.
Yes.
When it closed down, put in the fans, put in the electricity, every little thing,
Right.
and a bigger water system.
Right. Right. How long you been? Did I ask you how long you were here, Miss
No,
Barbara?
I just hear soon pretty close. February coming will be 2 years.
2 years. 2
Yes,
years. Yes.
but I was on the other side for 14
Yes.
years.
By Orange, you said.
Yes, 101 terrace.
Yes. Yes. So this is just a miniature of what you used to have.
This is just a tip in the bucket.
Yes.
But
yes.
everything the Bible says, give thanks.
Yes.
Big, give thanks. Small, give thanks. So I'm a thankful giver and a
Yes.
thankful yes. And a thankful, all when you say no, I'm still thankful.
Yes.
All
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Let's go and show you the rest. So all this, I lost something big like this over Orange Drive.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Have water coconut as well, Miss Barbara?
Yes. But all these dry because I do coconut milk.
Oh.
I mostly break myself because I want people to eat healthy,
Yes.
not to use oil in everything they're doing. So when I'm giving you the steam fish,
Yes.
not the one them at the store, you get the fresh steam fish, like Port Antonio,
Yes.
off the beach. So when you get the fish, I grate the coconut and steam the fish in coconut juice.
Oh.
So we call it coconut rundown.
Gotcha.
So when you're going to eat, you eat healthy.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Yes.
This will just making this back again, this destroy over there. This I have worms at my house walking out of their container. So this is my house that the worm going to live. You get the worm cast, the
What's
worm
that?
pee, what the worm filth, because it's organic. Organic actually be the worst thing. It stink, it's manure, it's human filth.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that is organic.
Oh,
hmm So we buy worms here. So we
okay.
always keep most of the worms at the house,
Yes.
me and my son. So
Okay.
the worm them walking out now. So we need a bigger house for them now.
Yes.
So this will be the worm
A
house.
worm house.
This is a worm house.
Oh.
Compost. So when the worm filth is
Yeah.
hit, we use and do we compose. When
Okay.
the worm pee is it we use and spray the
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
So that is our chemical.
Okay.
So
Gotcha.
very expensive, but the whole property cannot use everything.
Yes.
So everything underneath that greenhouse, or you want to call it a whoop house,
Yes.
very expensive to maintain these worms to heat. You
Yes.
remember? And if you want a pound of my worm and a pound of my soil, later on you're talking about money.
Yes.
All
Yes.
right. This here, you know,
And this is another huge area.
and if anyone out there and want to fund me $1, later on you will know where to send the $1. I will highly appreciate it.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
$1. This is where I'm fixing, not for children only, because it's not children who use the word fool. That would be how to say fool. In the Bible, Job's wife said to Job, curse God
And die.
and die. And he said, I'm not going to call you a fool, but to speak like one of the foolish woman. He never called her a fool. So I'm not going to call anyone a fool. But grown people don't know that everything come from a seed. So right here is the base. We're going to use this tin. One of these tin is $350. And we put the manure in it to melt down. Then we're going to buy the soil to put on it and teach children and grown people how to come in and plant. So if you outside there looking on this YouTube level and you want one of these containers to rent right here, you can get it and learn to do your backyard garden.
Okay. Okay.
But I'm setting it up to teach people that every little spot that you have at your backyard, you can provide yourself something that you don't have to go to the store every day.
Yes.
I don't say don't go to the store, but you don't have to go there.
Mhm.
Some people have huge houses and you can plant something and move one of the table, you move one of the chair and put your plants there. And you get up and you make your juice
Yep.
from that plant. You can plant a cauliflower, you can plant a broccoli. Broccoli make the best soup. If you don't know how to cook broccoli soup, come on down.
All right. All right. Yeah.
All right.
The teacher has spoken. All right. I see you have mango tree over there. That's a huge one.
Yes. And those are special. I
What
think
kind is
I
that?
don't even remember the name of it, but it starts with a K, something
Okay.
there. Yes.
Okay.
It's a special mango.
The coconut trees are tall though, Mr.
Yes,
Barbara.
because they are here from Ancient.
Yes.
The
Yes.
properties buy with those.
Yes.
So this plant I want to show you here now. This one in Jamaica. Everybody never know about it.
That's no name?
This is the noni tree.
Mhm.
This is one of the healing tree. This is a healing herb. when AIDS come out a couple of years ago when I was much younger, because I'm 65 now, they said this cure AIDS. So everybody was running for this. But pain, strength, energy, everything just rock to the noni. You can just put a little olive oil and this leaf and you wrap the knee. Tomorrow morning, that pain will gone. So this is the noni. Yes. Noni juice is here.
I remember there was a big rave about it a few years ago.
Yes, yes.
People were selling the juice
Yeah,
and
yeah. Very expensive too. Yes.
all right.
Yeah. So we're going on the other side of farm.
Okay.
We cannot walk it out, but make we do what we can do.
Yes, it's huge, guys. Like Miss Barbara said, we can't walk it out, but we're going to.
Yeah, because I'm not a walker.
Yes, we're going to head on over there.
And one time, and let me teach you this. I
Guys,
should.
we're looking at the papayas here. There's a whole line of papaya. And yes, Miss Barbara is telling us about the
The
papaya.
papaya don't love water.
Yes.
And I shouldn't sending out my teaching on the internet. But make I give you a little speech. The papaya now, not papaya only. When you water in, don't water till it runs out the pan. It loses nutrient.
Okay.
You just water it for survival. Some people water and then pour in the water. And everything that is in the soil, you wash it away. Then you say, oh, me buy the plant from you. And in a workout, oh, for you pretty son, me never water it like how you drowned in your one. And again, papaya don't love waterland. Every leaf is yellow. Yes. So come on, I can show you my pineapple now.
So we're at the pineapple.
Yes. This is my pineapple. So this will be the pink pineapple. Inside of it is not the yellow one or the white one. It have a look a pinkish look. So these are a different type of pineapple.
Okay.
If you look over there, I'm trying to make a pineapple grove all over there.
Guys, let's
Just yes.
walk over and show you a little.
Yes, but they only look like they're ripe. So I would have a lot of June plum because I do natural juices. But because most fruits don't like water, so this is one of the June plum tree.
Okay, do they get big, Miss Barbara?
Not so big.
Okay.
Not like the old time trees.
These are the small ones.
Yes. But it makes you good juices. And this is the papaya, you see, and don't love the water. So it start to give you color. And show you a nasty face and don't love water. Yes. So the water kill this one and don't love water. See,
And they grow well in the containers?
no, but because I can put it on the ground because it's going to double portion of water.
Yeah.
So I get a few from this tree You know that it can be the best salad. So I use them for salad. I use them in soup, like how you'd use chocho, or you call it
Oh, really?
chayote. Yeah. It cook great meat,
Mm.
tenderizing. It is good for your heart. It is good for cancer, the leaf. The stain from the leaf is like antibiotic for your teeth.
Oh,
Yes. So when you're planting something, you must plant to have something. Don't plant because you just want to plant.
right.
Plant because of its benefit.
Yes, yes. I see a whole lot of callaloo down here.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm trying to do some lemons and all those things.
Yes.
But everything suffocate because of water.
Mm.
Yes.
Guys, this is another area of the
Yes.
farm.
Yeah. I'm trying to build like a beautification going right through.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is huge.
Oh Lord. And it look good when no rain don't fall.
Yes, yes. But this is Florida, right?
Yes.
You can. What trees are those, Miss Barbara? What are those?
Avocado.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Yeah, and they have an avocado.
And people can also order whatever you have. When they reach out, they can find out what you have.
Yes, but because I'm a juice person,
Yes,
I cater for healing.
yes,
So my few then don't come up as yet that they can order as yet.
yes,
But when the right time come, because they're just baby,
yes,
couple of them out there beer, they eat good. But it don't give me back that I can say the 20 cases.
yes.
Yes. But
So
if some
small,
small
small
portion,
portion.
yes.
So guys, if you want just for your household, you
Yes.
can reach out to Miss Barbara and
Then I tell you,
arrange with her.
yes.
Wow, that's a huge. Is that poultry you have over there, Miss Barbara?
Pulled?
Poultry.
No, this is on the right.
Oh,
Here is not mine.
okay,
Everything on the left going is mine.
okay. Oh, it's a horse stable.
Yeah. Over there, me have a big poultry.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, this is a lot of callaloo over here.
Yes. And this was beautiful before the rain.
Yeah,
Spoiled.
yeah.
So right back is callaloo.
Guys, ooh, this is a lot of callaloo, guys, and the sugar cane.
Oh Lord, don't come out here. I'm not trust any dog. Yeah. I didn't want to show you the dashing before I go through there.
Yeah. All
Come,
right.
come on, then we go.
All right, guys. We are at the area for guys. You're not gonna believe this.
Mm,
This is dasheen.
yes.
And if you're like me, you love
She,
dasheen. Oh my goodness, with some good gravy.
yes, man. Salt
So,
mackerel.
yes,
Salt
that
mackerel
too.
rundown,
Yes.
man.
Oh, oh, look at this, guys. Dasheen and dasheen and dasheen.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, wow. And then we have
Banana.
bananas.
Yes. So I'm going to clean down all these bananas and do dashing right through.
Okay. Oh, you're
Yes.
gonna get rid of the bananas?
Yes. because we need the banana too, but the dasheen sell more, so you get
Yes.
more from the dasheen,
Yeah.
more than from the
Bananas.
banana.
Yes.
Because people come in every day for dasheen
Dasheen.
leaf.
Yes. Oh, they buy the leaves.
Leaves, the leaves,
Oh,
yes.
here it is, guys. Tons and tons of this.
Yes, so if we go around that, it's going to take me too long.
Yes,
So,
to go around.
yes.
Yes. Wow. Isn't that something, guys? So we have banana on the left, banana on
And
the
the
right.
right, and
Yes.
different type of bananas too.
Yes.
You
Yes.
see that the papaya don't love the water?
Yes. Look at it.
Look at
Wow.
him, yeah. I may have the juicer down there, so we do sugar cane juice.
Guys, this is the section for the sugar cane.
And I'm going to use this as a healing station. It
Okay.
named Sesame. I'm going
Okay.
to do it as this is a I don't even remember the name. So Hoven well now, but
Yes.
this is not. I have back to Eden over there. This is Gethsemane.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to have plants that is in the Bible from
Oh,
Gethsemane days.
gotcha. Gotcha.
Yes. So you can come at this station. So I'm going to, yes.
You
But
have irrigation for the sugar cane, Miss Barbara. Do the canes like water?
yes.
They
She
like.
can do like water, but I don't have it for the water. I have it for the callaloo.
Oh, over there.
Yes, but
Okay.
so them get a look of it too.
Okay.
But I never give it to them.
Okay.
Yes.
All of this is sugar
All
cane.
of that is sugar cane.
Do you sell the cane juice, Miss Barbara?
Yes.
Okay.
And most time I don't sell it because I use it because we don't use sugar in our natural juice.
Okay. You just use the
The
sugar
sugar
cane.
cane, yes, as a sweetener.
All of this, guys. Sugar cane, sugar cane.
So when you finish walk through the garden now of Gethsemane, you're going to enter into this ranch.
Okay. Right. El Ranchito, guys.
So it is dark,
Yeah.
so you can't get to see everything.
Yeah.
But I'm going to make this into a like a video house that when you come to the garden of Gethsemane and you want to relax, and
Yes.
that day you go inside and you watch. This is the picture room.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Lovely. 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 This is the Garden of Eden.
Party, good night. Huh? I said good night.
He said nice night.
Yes. So I'm going home to my bed into it now.
We have a little lake here, guys. Beautiful.
So over that side, there's a nice beach that I was trying to make like Negril, white sand,
Oh,
but because of it is the
yes.
water destroyed, but it over on the other side of this
Okay.
lake.
This is the callaloo garden again, guys.
Mm-hmm.
We're seeing it from the
On the
other side.
side. Mm-hmm.
But it's really a huge property,
A
though,
huge
Miss
property,
Barbara.
and we don't get to go on that side.
Yeah.
Hmm.
What do you have over the other side?
It's just like I'm trying to build because me just come here.
Yes.
Me I just have to use my thought,
Yes.
my vision.
Yes.
I'm not a talker, but I'm a visioner.
Visionary.
All
Yes.
right.
Yes. Yes.
It's nice, man. When no rain, oh Lord.
Guys, run right through the property.
Yes, right round and round. So you can just come and sit down and have your picnic.
Yes.
It's going to huge out here, the 16.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have
December 16th,
the,
guys.
yes,
So,
doctors who come in can bring a teddy bear for the less fortunate children.
okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Some gift for less fortunate
Yes.
children. We got speeches on children who rape, who parents are drug addict. We're going to have all different doctor for the heart, every type of
Okay.
different, yes, to give a local lecture and you enjoy your day. And
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Yes. It's really
So all these avocado now, I don't think they're going to die because they pass dying stage now.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah, these are avocado trees, guys.
Yes. Good. Couple die, but a good save. There I did want to do the white sand beach,
Mm.
but too much water. I don't want to put a American Negro over there. White sand beach.
Yes.
But I think the planning never work out.
Well, you never know.
You know,
You never know.
when time come
Yes.
and the right intervention person come and
Yes.
help me to see the scenery,
Yes.
then we'll know
Yes.
what to
Oh,
do.
yes.
No matter how you believe you're good, you cannot do everything.
That's right.
And you never stop learning.
That's right.
And don't hold on to everything that you know it all.
Exactly. Because somebody else have something.
Somebody else.
And when you reach the right person, you hear they say iron sharpen iron.
Yes, that is. We don't have to go in the water, but that day on the 16th, we're
Yeah.
going to have a canoe tour.
Oh,
Yes,
nice.
yeah,
Nice.
yeah. We're just trying to explore.
Yes, and get a vibe.
Yeah, so we're going this way
Yes,
now.
this way. Okay.
Yeah, so right here now, I dedicate myself to do a sensory lane. Your
What?
five sensory lane.
Okay.
A five senses. We have five senses:
Yes.
seeing, smelling, tasting, hearing, and feeling.
Yes.
So underneath this, I'm going to do, but everything, I didn't want to do everything one time, but it didn't work like that.
It
Rome,
takes several days to make it
yeah,
work.
Rome never built in one
Yes.
day. So I have to cut down and think about that side before I think about this side.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And guys, it's a long stretch of sugar cane.
Yes.
Long,
Because
long.
is it we have to use for the sweetener.
Okay. For
Yes.
your juices.
For the
Yeah.
juices.
Yeah. Sugar cane, guys. Sugar cane and sugar cane.
Yeah. People ask, are you selling? I can sell only a little bit for you to eat. But I can't sell it to you because I need it.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And sugar cane is good for energy. The
Yes.
best energy you need. You get
Uh-huh.
it from sugar cane.
Yes.
And I do couple well jackfruit trees.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have jackfruit trees here, guys.
Yeah. Because now the people who eating different,
Yes.
they use the jackfruit for their meat and watch the heaven.
Yes.
Yes, the
Yes.
vegans.
Yes. So this looks like the end of the tour, Miss Barbara.
Yes, this is the end of the tour because we were late.
Yes. Yes.
But next time around, you come early
Yes.
and we get to go furthermore into the farm. Wow, the mosquito come down now. Because I don't want to video the neem tree.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to wrap it up now, Miss
Yeah.
Barbara. So, guys, we're at the end of our tour, and we want to thank Miss Barbara for allowing us to tour her beautiful farm.
Yeah.
Miss Barbara, before we go, is there anything you want to say to the viewers?
Viewers, again, my name is Barbara Mackenzie, known as Max Farm. You will hear and you will see more about me. And this is not me alone. This is a family thing we're going to do. My two granddaughters is in the university. They do soaps. They do Irish moss soap. They do turmeric soaps. They do lipstick. So we do everything natural, farm to the table. And thank you.
All right. And if you want to reach out, remember, Max Farms. Okay. And she will be able to assist you with your orders on a one-to-one basis.
Yes.
All right, guys. Until next time. Ciao.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to Dukunu, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Miami, where mouth-watering Jamaican flavors meet a lively atmosphere, creating an unforgettable dining experience. Now, if you're a true Jamaican, you all know what a Dukunu is from back home. If you're not a Jamaican, then that's something for your homework. Here at Dukunu, though, whether you're craving Jamaican jerk chicken or curry chicken or curry goat or their fusion dishes, every bite will tell a story of passion and authenticity of the Jamaican dishes. I must admit, though, that I really like the outdoor seating area where the guests sit in the Miami sunshine, and then the DJ booth is showcased with smooth tunes setting the perfect backdrop for a vibrant dining experience. My choice was the curry chicken. It was a culinary masterpiece, guys. It was tender, flavorful, and cooked to absolute perfection. Honestly, I would totally recommend that curry chicken. I did have it with white rice. The experience and the ambience at Dukunu was nothing short of a culinary heaven in the heart of Miami.